Blowing molding plays a crucial role in the manufacturing process of various plastic products. It is an important process in the blowing molding industry that can accurately and efficiently manufacture seamless hollow objects. The blowing molding mold is one of the most important blowing molding tools, usually made of high-quality materials such as aluminum or steel, which can ensure the durability and lifespan of the mold. These molds have been carefully designed and manufactured to adapt to the required product dimensions and strict tolerances. By using blowing molding technology, manufacturers can produce a variety of products, such as bottles, containers, and other hollow plastic products. The process of blowing molding starts with the preheating and plasticization of thermoplastic materials. Then inject the completely melted plastic into the blowing molding mold, which consists of two heads to form the desired product shape cavity. Once the mold is closed, compressed air is introduced to blow and expand the molten plastic mold to align with the mold cavity. Blowing molding molds have significant advantages in the manufacturing process. Firstly, blowing molding can excellently replicate complex shapes and details, ensuring that the final product meets the required specification. In addition, blowing molding can achieve high production speed, making it suitable for mass production of products. Meanwhile, the lightweight production of blowing molding is also one of its prominent advantages. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.